Let's talk about clinical trials. What is a clinical trial, and why is it needed? According to the definition of the World Health Organization, clinical trials are a type of research that studies new tests and treatments and evaluates their effects on human health outcomes. These trials, involving multiple patients, need to meet specific requirements and are subject to assessment and supervision rules, while guaranteeing the highest standards of safety for participants and the transparency of information. In the LIVERATION study, the clinical trial will be conducted in multiple medical centers and randomized, which means that the 720 patients involved will randomly receive either the conventional surgery or the new ACM technique, in order to assess the oncological outcomes and potential differences between both. The randomization means that the participation of patients in one of the two groups will not be determined in advance, but assigned by chance, to avoid biases. This will allow the research team to verify which of the two groups has better outcomes. Additionally, LIVERATION is a pragmatic trial. In both groups, patients receive treatments that have been officially approved, and it will be possible to analyze which one is the most effective to reduce the risk of local recurrence. What pragmatic means is analyzing the results in real-world settings, which implies that it will not be possible to exclude from the trial patients that in other circumstances could have not been selected. It tends to represent more of what the clinicians will confront in a real-life, real-world scenario. We expect that by the end of the trial we will have a clearer picture of the additional margins and their impact on patients' clinical outcomes.